Every single year, over 500,000 U.S. visa applications are denied. Not rejected for complex legal reasons, denied for mistakes that could have been avoided. If you are applying for a U.S. visa right now, or planning to, the next 20 minutes could save your entire case. Stay with me. Mistake number 1, the fuzzy job title trap. USCIS denies H-1B petitions when job descriptions use generic titles without showing specialized duties. Fix it by describing your exact daily tasks, the specific knowledge required, and the direct connection to your degree field. Mistake number 2, status gaps. If you had any period where you were out of status, even one day, USCIS can deny your adjustment of status application under Section 245C. Any unlawful presence over 180 days also triggers bars to re-entry. Fix it. Document every single day of your immigration history with official receipts, I-94 records, and approval notices. Mistake number 3, confusing 214B denial with 221G. Section 214B is a permanent visa denial where the officer concludes you have immigrant intent. Section 221G is a temporary administrative hold. Thousands of applicants panic over 221G thinking their case is over. It is not. Know the difference. A 214B denial requires you to show stronger ties to your home country. A 221G just requires follow-up documents. Mistake number 4, failing the bona fide marriage test. For CR1 and IR1 spousal visas, USCIS wants proof you actually live as a married couple. Romantic photos alone are not enough. They want joint bank statements, shared lease agreements, commingled finances, and beneficiary designations. If your marriage looks like it only exists on paper, the petition will be denied. Mistake number 5, DS-160 data mismatches. Your DS-160 non-immigrant visa application must be consistent with every prior application, every social media profile, and every document in your file. Officers cross-check. If your travel history, employment dates, or family information does not match, you will be denied or placed in administrative processing.
Mistake number 6, the public charge rule and the I-864. For family-based immigration, your sponsor must earn at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for the household size. If they do not, the petition will be denied. Make sure to count everyone in the household, including previous sponsored immigrants who have not become citizens.
Mistake number 7, check the box syndrome for EB-1A and NIW petitions. Simply meeting the criteria is not enough. You must prove you are at the top of your field. Under the Kazarian framework, USCIS requires you to go beyond listing awards and publications. You must show the impact of your work on the field itself. Mistake number 8, social media vetting. Since 2019, consular officers require disclosure of all social media handles used in the past 5 years. If your public posts show intent to stay permanently while you are applying for a temporary visa, your case will be denied. Review and clean your profiles before submitting any application. Mistake number 9, going into your visa interview unprepared. The consular interview is not a conversation. It is an examination. Officers compare your verbal answers to your written forms in real time. Vague, inconsistent, or overly rehearsed sounding answers trigger red flags. Prepare specific, honest, concise answers for every section of your application. Mistake number 10, using invalid civil documents. Every country has specific document requirements listed in the State Department Reciprocity Schedule. Birth certificates must be official, sealed, and certified. Marriage certificates must meet country-specific standards. Using photocopies, outdated documents, or uncertified translations is one of the most common and most avoidable denial triggers. That is your complete guide to the 10 mistakes that get U.S. visas denied instantly. If you found this valuable, subscribe to this channel now. Every week we publish expert-level immigration guidance for free. If you are currently facing a visa denial, an RFE, or a complicated immigration situation, drop your question in the comments below. This community answers. We will see you in the next video.